Hello student, I'm Dr. Paramita Basu from Key Art and Design. So today I have come to actually give you information about a very interesting and very good university college of design, which is Rhode Island of Design, which is also called RISD. It's actually in Rhode Island. That's why the name Rhode Island of Design has come. The school was founded in 1877. It was founded as a co-educational student by Helen Edlia Rowe Metcalf. Today, actually, RISD offers bachelor's and post-graduation degree in 19 major subjects, and they take 2,000 students for undergrads and 500 students for postgrad. The Rhode Island School of Design also have a museum which has largest paintings collection in the US. Okay, so this is a very important news for Rhode Island. Rhode Island is actually collaborated by Brown University and also linked by Ivy University. That is the reason every degree which is coming out is also a part of from the Ivy League University. The Rhode Island School of Design is affiliated with Brown University, whose campus sites immediately adjacent to RISD on Provinces Colleges Hills. The two institutes share social and community resources, and since 1900 have permitted cross registration. Together, RISD and Brown offers dual degree program at the graduation and undergraduate levels. We have already made fee structure and also the courses which are available in RISD for undergrads and graduation course. Reels I have already made, so I have given you the link of these reels, so you can go and see the fee structure of RISD, and then in that reel all these fee structures I have already given, and I have given you the link in the description box. Please go and see it, and also the courses which are available in for graduation and undergraduation we have made that also a reel. So I think you can see that also in the reel, so I don't need to fully read it again. So now we go for the how many portfolio you require and what type of portfolio you require. Normally you require 12 to 20 portfolio pieces, which should be recent works of your what you have made. It can be a diagnostic portfolio, but it should be literally hand skill work. They normally, I think that they don't like so much computer work, so hand skill works they want for RISD's portfolio. Plus they need a proper students who are very skillful, so you have to show your skill in the portfolio requirement. My suggestion always says that don't go for 12, go for 20. So that will also help you to do it. Once you start the RISD's application, the slide room opens, and you can put your all the pieces, all the presentation you are made in the each in slide room, and then you can submit it, and so they will see the portfolio from the slide room itself. So anybody wants to make the portfolio and want more help for the portfolio or making RISD, you can contact me in my WhatsApp number and ask me about the RISD portfolio. My students have already gone to RISD every year, and they have made a mark in RISD also. One of my students have come after going to the RISD. She came first in the class in RISD also. So the students who are going, I am preparing them so well for the RISD or any other college. The portfolio should be very appropriate for the RISD. Normally the RISD's portfolio is little bit different from the other colleges portfolio. So what is the difference you should get? That you should always contact me, and you can take my classes for the portfolio. Then your portfolio will be so nicely made. You will get to your dream college RISD and any other college which you want to go for. So what are you waiting for? Grab your phone and WhatsApp me for getting in RISD. There is another things for if you want to go for RISD. There are many exams which you have to give. One is the English exam. There are 3 types of English exam. You have to give only one exam. One is TOEFL and the other one is IELTS. For TOEFL you have to score 93 at least. For IELTS you have to score 6.5 at least. And there is another exam which is normally students of India don't take, is Duolingo, which is also there. There you have to score 115 score. So for RISD you require this score. If it is under this score, then you will not get in RISD. There is another exam which was very much compulsory before the pandemic came into the world. It was SAT exam. Now it has become optional. Now you want to give SAT, it is your choice, but only I will tell you, if you give SAT, your rank is very good, you should add in your RISD's portfolio, because it is also included with the Ivy Brown University, which always takes SAT as one more score. There is another which I don't think so it is normally used for India, which is ACT exam. It is also optional between both SAT or ACT. You can give either SAT or ACT, but I don't think so Indian student give exam of ACT, they give SAT. So SAT is, if you have given, it is much better to put it in your application. If you don't give, maybe sometime you will not get into RISD because you have not put in that. If you don't have SAT result, they will ask you a lot of things. So it is better to give SAT and then go for RISD. So these two exams are there for other than your portfolio. Other than that, you require basically recommendation letters, which is always there. You get the recommendation letters from your school, from your English teacher, your principal, your art teacher. Anybody can give the recommendation letters. Even I have given so many students recommendation letters who are my students. So the recommendation letters, the teacher should include your activities, the teacher should tell about yourself and what you have done with her. So that is the recommendation letter which actually been written by the teachers, and these are the mostly main things which are required for any application of RISD. And if there is anything else, of course your counselor or somebody will help you to acquire it, but most of them I have already covered. And those who want to know more about it, you can of course WhatsApp me in my number. And if you want to join my classes for portfolio, you are most welcome. And you can, of course, then also you have to WhatsApp me in my number. Write your name and state, and then you can ask me about the fee structure of the portfolio making and any other thing you want to know. You can have a free counseling also if you want, and anything else you require, then also you can WhatsApp me in my number. I think this video is very important to the students who want to go for RISD. So like and share this video to all the students, all the friends you have. If you have come first time in this channel, do subscribe us. We will meet you again with lots of videos. Bye for today.